Hi, I'm Yvonne. I'm class designer. Follow me today to tour one of our recently completed project in Elmina today. Let's go! This is our compact series, which you get a big design impact with small budget. We have some hidden doors here for storage. This one can be a shoe cabinet. So this is the kitchen cabinet, the bottom and the top hung one. So we have built-in induction cooker here with this seamless and hidden exhaust. So we have a big sink here for you to wash all kind of pot. And this is the flexible hose, which is very convenient and easy to use. We also created a bar countertop, not only for breakfast bar purpose, but also it's a nice termination. For the dining area, we have this nice sintered stone marble grain tabletop, matched with this soft pink velvet chair to give you a very pastel, very soft feel when you dine here, and a matching feature wall. For the feature wall at this dining area, we actually have this mirror element together with beading designs. The blue color which match with the feature wall at this living hall, and a very nice custom printed photo frame. For this TV feature wall design, this blue color brushstroke wallpaper with matching stainless steel bronze color mirror finish strips as the design element here. Let's have a look on the master bedroom now. This master bedroom actually fits a king-size bed with two bedside table, and we have pendant light above the bedside table as a night lamp. And this is the built-in wardrobe. We have a mirror feature beside the wardrobe which serves as a fitting mirror instead of just a decor. And we have a nice Korea style wallpaper here, matching with very trendy and matching color flutter panels. So for the fan in this room, it comes with a reverse function, which is an anti-clockwise turn. Because normal fan is they only turn clockwise direction. But for this reverse function, right, it's actually when you on your aircon, it helps to even out the coldness of the room, not blowing away the cold air from the room. For this custom-made wallpaper, it's printed on 8D silk fabric. The color is a subtle base, but with nice and lively elements like flowers and nice birds in colors.
All these impressive designs are just start from 78K, fully furnished with decors for terrace house.